Question number 4, and here is written, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Okay students, here firstly we need to check if these all sequence of numbers are AP or not. If so, we have to find its common difference and also write 3 more terms, right? So first question, and here sequence of numbers is 2, 4, 8 and 16, and this is A, and this is A2, and this is A3, and this is A4. Now to check if this is an AP or not, we have to find its difference. So difference between A2 and A is 2, and difference between A3 and A2 is 8 minus 4, 4, and similarly difference between A4 and A3, 16 minus 8, 8. In this way, we came to know the difference between each terms is not same. So we can write it is not an AP. Question number 3, and here the sequence of number is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, and minus 7.2. And here this is A, and this is A2, and this is A3, and this is A4. Okay, now we need to find its difference. So firstly, let's find the difference between A2 and A. Okay, let's find here difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to we have minus 3.2 minus and A equal to we have minus 1.2, and here minus into minus plus 1.2, and it will be subtracted from minus 3.2, then we obtain minus 2. Now difference between A3 and A2. A3 equal to we have minus 5.2 minus, and A2 equal to we have minus 3.2, and after solving these two again we obtain minus 2. Now difference between A4 and A3. A4 equal to we have minus 7.2 minus, and A3 equal to we have minus 5.2, and again after solving these two we obtain minus 2. Okay, let's write here minus 2. Okay students, in this way we came to know the difference between each term is common or same, that is minus 2. So we can say that it is an AP. Now according to these questions, again we need to write its 3 more terms, that is we need to find A5, A6 and A7, right? For that we simply add common difference to consecutive terms, right? So firstly let's add common difference to fourth term so that we can obtain its fifth term, right? So here fourth term is minus 7.2 plus, and common difference is minus 2, minus 2, and plus into minus, here will be minus 2 and minus 2 and minus 7.2. After adding we obtain uh, minus 9.2. Okay, in this way here we have obtained its fifth term, that is minus 9.2. Again to find its sixth term we have to add common difference to fifth term, and fifth term is minus 9.2 plus common difference is 2, and after solving these two we obtain minus 11.2. Okay, here we have obtained its sixth term, right? And sixth term is minus 11.2. Now lastly we need to find its seventh term, and for that we simply add common difference to sixth term, and sixth term is minus 11.2 plus common difference minus 2, and after solving these two we obtain minus 13.2. So seventh term will be minus 13.2. Students, in this way we have obtained its three more terms, that is A5 minus 9.2, A6 minus 11.2 and A7 minus 13.2. Question number 4, and here the sequence of number is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. And here this is A, this is A2 and this is A3 and this is 4. Now we have to check whether it is an AP or not. For that we need to find its difference. So firstly let's find the difference between A2 and A. Difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to, we have minus 6 minus, and A equal to, we have minus 10. Now here minus into minus plus, and plus 10 and minus 6. After subtracting we obtain plus 4. Now let's find the difference between A3 and A2. A3 equal to, we have minus 2 minus, and A2 equal to, we have minus 6. And here also minus into minus plus, and 6 plus 6 and minus 2. After subtracting we obtain again difference between A3 and A2 is 4. Now let's find the difference between A4 and A3. A4 equal to, we have 2 minus, and A3 equal to, we have minus 2. Now here minus into minus plus, and plus 2 and plus 2, we obtain 4. In this way here we came to know the difference between each terms is same, that is 4. So we can say that it is an AP. Now according to these questions, again we need to find its 3 more terms, right? It means we need to find its 5th term, that is A5, 6th term, that is A6, and 7th term, that is A7. For that we simply add common difference to consecutive terms, right? So firstly let's add common difference to 4th term. Our 4th term is 2. Okay, let's do here 4th term, that is 2 plus, and common difference we have obtained here 4, and after adding we obtain simply 6. So 5th term is, we obtain here 6. Now after adding common difference to 5th term, then we obtain 10, and this is 6th term. Again after adding common difference to 6th term, then we obtain 14, and this is 7th term. In this way here we have obtained its 3 more terms, that is 6, 10 and 14. Now question number 5, and here the sequence of number is 3, 3 plus root over 2, 3 plus 2 root over 2, 3 plus 3 root over 2, and here this is a and this is a2 and this is a3 and this is a4. Okay, now we have to check if this is an AP or not. For that, firstly we need to find its difference, right? So let's find here. Okay, firstly difference between a2 and a. a2 equal to, we have 3 plus root over 2, and a equal to, we have 3. So this minus 3 and this plus 3 can be cancelled out, and here remains root over 2. Again, let's find the difference between a3 and a2. a3 equal to, we have 3 plus 2 root over 2 minus, and a2 equal to, we have 3 plus root over 2. Now 3 plus 2 root over 2 minus 3, and this minus into plus minus root over 2. Now firstly this minus 3 and plus 3 can be cancelled out, and here is 2 root 2, and here is 1 root 2. After subtracting, we obtain here 1 root 2. Now let's find the difference between a4 and a3. a4 equal to, we have 3 plus 3 root over 2 minus, and a3 equal to, we have 3 plus 2 root over 2. Now 3 plus 3 root over 2 minus 3, and minus into plus minus 2 root over 2, and here firstly minus 3 and this plus 3 can be cancelled out, and here is 3 root 2 and here is 2 root 2. After subtracting, we obtain 1 root 2. Okay, here we have obtained same difference in between each term, that is root over 2, root over 2, root over 2. Now again we need to find its 3 more terms, that is 5th term, 6th and 7th term. For that, we simply add common difference to consecutive terms, right? So firstly let's add common difference to 4th term. Okay, let's solve over here. Our 4th term is 3 plus 3 root over 2 plus, we have to add common difference, that is root over 2, root over 2, and here 3 root over 2, and here is 1 root 2. After adding, we obtain 3 plus 4 root 2. This is 5th fifth term. 3 plus 4 root 2. Again, if we add common difference to fifth term, then we obtain 3 plus, okay, here is 4 root 2 and here is 1 root 2. After adding, here will be 5 root 2 and this is sixth term. 3 plus 5 root over 2. Again, if we add common difference to sixth term, then we obtain 3 plus, and here is 5 root 2 and here is 1 root 2. After adding, we obtain 6 root 2 and this is seventh term. 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, in this way we have obtained its 3 more terms, that is A5, A6 and A7. Now question number 6, and here the sequence of number is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and here this is A and this is A2 and this is A3 and this is A4. Okay, firstly let's check if it is an AP or not. For that we have to find its difference. So firstly let's find the difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to, we have 0.22 minus A equal to, we have 0.2, and after subtracting we obtain 0.02. Now let's find the difference between A3 and A2. A3 equal to, we have 0.222 minus A2 equal to, we have 0.22, and after subtracting we obtain 0.002. Now let's find the difference between A4 and A3. A4 equal to, we have 0.222 minus, and A3 equal to, we have 0.222, and after subtracting we obtain 0.0002, and here we came to know the difference between each term is not same, so we can write here difference between each term is not same, so it is not an AP. Now question number 7, and here the sequence of number is 0, minus 4, minus 8 and minus 12, and here this is A and this is A2 and this is A3 and this is A4. Now firstly we need to find its difference, right? So let's find over here. Firstly, difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to, we have minus 4 minus and a equal to we have 0. So simply difference between a2 and a will be minus 4. Now let's find the difference between a3 and a2. a3 equal to we have minus 8 minus and a2 equal to we have minus 4, and here minus into minus plus plus 4. After getting subtracted from minus 8, then we obtain difference between a3 and a2 is again minus 4. Now difference between a4 and a3. a4 equal to we have minus 12 minus and a3 equal to we have minus 8, and here also minus into minus plus and plus 8 will get subtracted from minus 12, and then we obtain again difference between a4 and a3 is minus 4. In this way, here we came to know the difference between each term is same, that is minus 4 and minus 4. So we can say that it is an AP. So according to this question, again we need to find its 3 more terms, right? That is, we need to find 5th term, 6th and 7th. For that, simply we add common difference to consecutive terms. So firstly, let's add common difference to 4th term. Our 4th term is minus 12 plus, and common difference is minus 4. Minus 4, and here plus into minus minus and minus 4 and minus 12. After adding, we obtain minus 16. This is our 5th term, minus 16. Now to get 6th term, we have to add common difference to 5th term. Common difference minus 4, and here also plus into minus minus and minus 4 and minus 16. After adding, we obtain minus 20. This is our 6th term. 6th term is minus 20. Similarly, to gain 7th term, we have to add common difference to 6th term, and common difference is minus 4, and here also plus into minus minus and minus 4 and minus 20. After adding, we obtain minus 24, and this is our 7th term. 7th term is minus 24. Okay students, in this way here we have obtained its 3 more terms, that is minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24.